drawing is not about talent. It's about knowledge and practice. If you seek out the knowledge and then apply what you've learned to practice, then you will see drawing improvement. This means that drawing is a skill that anyone can learn. Hi, I'm Matt. I'm an artist and a teacher, and have been fortunate to see my students over the years blossom and grow into amazing artists. And I designed the Secrets to Drawing course to do the same thing for you. This course was designed to be truly comprehensive. This isn't a specialty course that covers one or two subjects or one or two mediums. Instead, it is truly comprehensive, covering absolutely everything dealing with drawing, from the elements of art all the way to figure drawing. And we also cover a variety of different mediums, including graphite, pen and ink, charcoal, pastel, colored pencils, and much, much more. It's no wonder that this course has become one of the most popular out there, with well over 50,000 downloads from around the world. The Secrets to Drawing features over 5 hours of high-definition video, all broken down into 28 logically sequenced modules, which each include a video and a downloadable ebook. It is a comprehensive learning experience designed to guide absolute beginners and intermediate artists through the core foundations of drawing, through concise and easy-to-digest modules. In this course, you'll learn how to think and see as an artist, and we cover absolutely everything. We begin with the elements of art and progress on to portrait drawing, figure drawing, landscape drawing, animal portrait drawing, and much, much more. And we cover a variety of media, including graphite, charcoal, pen and ink, colored pencils, pastels, oil pastels, and more. Now, not everyone learns by just watching videos, so that's why ebooks are included as well. Each course module includes an illustrated and written ebook that you can download and use alongside of the videos to reinforce the concepts that we cover in each one of the modules. There are 26 total step-by-step ebooks that combine for 178 pages with 498 color illustrations, so you see every step of the process. So whether you're brand new to drawing or you've been at it for a while, this course will take your drawing skills to another level.